Why do some projects create long-term value, while others create long-term problems?
The difference often lies in one factor: sustainability. Welcome back to Andro Indian, where we lead with purpose.
Sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a strategic necessity for every modern project manager. But embedding sustainability is not simple. It introduces new layers of complexity and unique challenges.
First, your project scope expands. You must consider long-term impacts and a much broader set of stakeholders.
From local communities to global investors, everyone is now a part of your project's ecosystem. Second, sustainability risks increase, encompassing environmental, social, and complex regulatory landscapes.
To manage this, we look at ESG, environmental, social, and governance, the three pillars of modern project health.
Environmental factors focus on your carbon footprint, energy efficiency, and waste management practices. The social pillar covers labor standards, health and safety, and the impact your project has on the local community. Governance is about your internal systems, ethics, and transparency in decision-making and reporting.
In the planning phase, sustainability must be baked in from day one. This is where you define your KPIs.
Define what success looks like beyond just time and budget. What is your target for carbon reduction? Apply value engineering to ensure every resource used contributes to both the project goal and the environment.
During execution, the focus shifts to waste reduction and managing an ethical, sustainable supply chain.
Are your vendors compliant? Ethical sourcing is a critical part of the social pillar in your ESG strategy. Monitor your site's impact daily. Small changes in resource management lead to massive long-term benefits.
In India, new mandates like BRSR reporting mean that PMs must ensure every data point is audit-ready.
Transparency and accountability are the cornerstones of the governance pillar in every sustainable project. Holistic thinking is key. You aren't just managing tasks, you're managing a value delivery system.
The project manager is the bridge. You are the one who turns ESG theory into practical on-site action.
You represent the new generation of leadership, where excellence is measured by impact, not just output. Embed these goals into your work breakdown structure. If it isn't in the WBS, it likely won't happen.
Finally, in the closing phase, we report on our successes and the lessons learned throughout the life cycle.
Your final report should showcase the tangible ESG value you've delivered to the organization and society. This isn't just a trend, it's the future of project management in India and across the globe.
Reskilling is essential. The modern PM must be as fluent in ESG metrics as they are in traditional project tools.
Continuous learning ensures you stay ahead in a world where sustainability is the new standard of excellence. Visit androindian.com for more deep dives into professional excellence. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.